Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable flash notification on Android phone. So let's get to it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone and you have to scroll down until you find accessibility setting. And this is the accessibility setting, so just click on it. And after that, you can click on advanced settings right here. You can click on it, and if you want to turn on the flash notification, you just need to click on flash notification option right here, and after that you can click on this toggle button to activate the camera flash notification. Okay, and after you activate the flash notification, you will get the camera flash when you receive notification on your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can enable flash notification on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.